Two-position push-button design is ideal for use as a horn or starter switch. Max panel thickness, 1 inch. Mounting stem length, 1–1/4 inch. Includes brass washer and backup nut, stainless steel springs. Manufacturer part number 5011781. With a chrome-plated brass face nut, brass washer and backup hex nut, this heavy-duty push-button switch provides lasting durability for reliable operation. Two positions include off, momentary on. Mounting stems are 1–1/4 inch in length with 5/8 inch 32 thread. Seachoice is committed to delivering quality marine accessories and OEM replacement parts to satisfy fishing, boating and watersports enthusiasts worldwide. Seachoice is run for and by boaters offering a wide-ranging product line while remaining affordable. Top reviews from the United States. Great horn switch. I installed this on my boat for my horn. Very easy to install. It's a push-release switch. Works great for my horn. Time will tell how well it holds up.